Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change city name in Evony. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your level along with your city name in the top of your screen. In the text box, enter a new name. Then tap on Change button. And if you're sure, click on the Confirm button. You'll also have to keep in mind that you should have at least 200 gems on your account in order to change your name. So that is how you can change city name in Evony. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.